Here. Mama. What? He tired to clean my necklace, huh? You like it? Step up. Trying to eat it? Step up. He's ready to bowl. Sit up. Good. Good birdie. Sit up. I'm gonna take off my necklace. Here, put your fingers
there,
like
now
this.
we won't want my necklace.
Step up. Now we won't want my necklace. My necklace is here.
Thor.
Baby.
Don't let him. What's he eating?
I don't know. Crumbs from like bread? He's like Cheeto.
Thor. That's a noodle.
Noodle.
Thor.
Step up. Step up. Step up. Can I eat that? He's like, can I eat this? Oh, step up with you. Step up. Step up. Oh, step up. Step up. Step up. I don't want to step up. I don't want to step up. Put it up here. Put it up here. Step up. Good.
He almost slid off the counter. He's chewing on all the.
Stay in here.
He's
Fly.
shoe fly.
Bet you can't touch the sky. I just made that up. No, stay in here. Stay in here. Look, I have a necklace.
Can't walk around this. I would want to wear my necklace to get the bird.
Hey!
Come here, Thor.
It doesn't
Come here, Thor.
put.
Thor.
It doesn't want it put.
Okay, I'm gonna put on my necklace.
Thor. Come on, pretty bird.
Step up, step up.
He wants my necklace.
Step home.
Hi, pretty bird.